Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and write your comments. Let us get started with you. So first, you and I are going to open up the Instagram app. And then in order for us to remove the chat from both sides, we need to first go to the professional dashboard in Instagram. To do that, you go to your page. I already have a professional page right now. You can see it by this box right here that says it's professional. But you can do it yourself very quickly. In order to switch to a professional account, it won't take more than a minute. First, you'll need to click on the three bars at the top and then go to Settings. And here, if you scroll closer to the bottom, you'll have Account Type. When you find the Account Type section, you will be prompted to switch to Professional Account. You'll have to agree, then accept a couple more terms that Instagram will offer you, and Instagram will also explain to you what the professional account gives you, like statistics, more advanced features. You just need to agree to all of that. And after you turn on the professional account, you'll see that you already have a professional account by this window like I have. You may need to log out and log into Instagram again to do this. So once you switch to the professional account, you go to the main Instagram page, then to your posts, correspondence. And here you'll be able to start by filtering, for example, your correspondences. To do that, near the search bar, you can click on the word filter. And here you have a few options of which correspondences you want to select. For example, are they read, or are they flagged, or are they, for example, are they some groups, and so on. And after you, for example, select, filter what you want to find, what you want to delete. You can further up at the top, either like I have, you'll have three dots that you click on, or you might have a select chats function right away. You click on it, and as you can see, we have these empty circles near the chats, and you can choose any chat from the ones that are offered to you. Then once you've selected a chat, 1, 2, 5, 10, as many as you want to delete, you just select, and then you just click at the bottom delete and confirm your action. And that's how you'll be able to delete a chat on Instagram. In order to do it from both sides, so to speak, then you need to ask the person that you deleted the correspondence with to do the same thing. You'll need to delete it. It is very important not to transfer, for example, to the general or block, but exactly to delete the correspondence. Only in this way you will be able to delete the Instagram chat on both sides once and for all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.